Imagine ending your day with a sense of pride because you made healthy choices. You had your vegetables, maybe prepared a simple dinner, and felt confident that you were doing all the right things for your body. Then suddenly, the next morning, you wake up feeling a little off. Maybe you feel lightheaded when you stand, your energy seems lower than usual, or your body feels slightly unbalanced. Most people immediately blame aging or assume they didn't sleep well. But sometimes the answer is much simpler. Your body may be reacting to certain foods differently than it used to. Not because the foods are harmful, but because the body changes with time, and what worked perfectly at 40 doesn't always work the same at 65 or 70. As we grow older, the digestive system slows down, the kidneys become more sensitive, hydration levels shift faster, and the body's response to vitamins, minerals, and natural compounds becomes more delicate. Even vegetables, foods we have trusted our entire lives, can affect the body differently after 60. This doesn't mean they should be avoided. It simply means your body now has a different rhythm, and learning how to match your eating habits with that rhythm can make an incredible difference in how you feel. Today we will explore 9 commonly enjoyed vegetables that can affect older adults in surprising ways if eaten at the wrong time, in the wrong combination, or without proper hydration. These vegetables are not dangerous. They are healthy, but like any powerful food, they must be enjoyed with awareness. By understanding how your body processes them now, you can continue to enjoy them while supporting your energy, balance, circulation, and long-term vitality. Let's begin with a vegetable many people believe is their strongest ally: spinach. For most of our lives, spinach has been celebrated as a superfood, packed with minerals and antioxidants. But the truth is, as we get older, our kidneys process minerals differently, and foods that are extremely rich in natural compounds can sometimes feel heavier on an aging system. Spinach contains natural compounds that require the kidneys to work a little harder. Most younger adults never notice this, but older adults sometimes experience discomfort, bloating, or nighttime restlessness after eating large portions, especially if they consume it late in the evening. The best way to keep spinach as a friend is to enjoy it earlier in the day, with plenty of water, and in cooked form, which makes it gentler on digestion. Spinach is still an incredibly nourishing vegetable, but the timing and amount matter more as the years go by. Next is broccoli, another vegetable praised for its strong nutritional profile. Broccoli contains vitamin K and other compounds that support the body in wonderful ways, but for older adults, the key is consistency. When we eat large amounts one day and none the next, the body has to readjust suddenly, which can make people feel a little off, especially if they're taking long-term medications. This doesn't mean broccoli is a problem. It simply means your body appreciates steadiness. Eating small, regular portions instead of swinging between extremes helps maintain a balanced system. Many seniors say they feel lighter and more energized when they add broccoli in moderation rather than large servings all at once. Then we have romaine lettuce. Most people think of it as a light, harmless salad green, but it influences hydration more than many realize. Romaine encourages the body to release water, which is great during the day when you're drinking and moving. But if eaten late at night, especially close to bedtime, it can contribute to nighttime dryness or mild dizziness in the morning. That's why many older adults feel better when they enjoy salads earlier, not right before lying down. A simple glass of water with your greens can also make a difference in how your body feels overnight. Eating romaine isn't a problem at all. It simply needs timing that matches your natural hydration cycle. Carrots are another favorite. Crunchy, sweet, and refreshing, they make a wonderful snack. But raw carrots digest fast, and that quick digestion can sometimes create small shifts in blood sugar, especially in older adults or those with slower metabolism. This is why some seniors feel energized after carrots, while others may feel a little shaky. Eating carrots earlier in the day, or pairing them with something like nuts, yogurt, or hummus, helps the body digest them more gradually. Cooking carrots also makes them gentler and easier to process. Carrots are still excellent. They just need a little support from other foods once we reach the golden years. Garlic has long been known as a natural healer. It supports the immune system and boosts flavor in every dish. But garlic is potent. and its natural compounds are strong. Some older adults notice that when they eat large amounts, especially raw or in supplement form, their stomach feels too warm, or they feel a little lightheaded. Cooking garlic softens its intensity and makes it easier for the body to handle. Small amounts blend beautifully into meals without overwhelming the system. Many seniors find that once they switch from raw garlic to cooked garlic, they enjoy all the benefits without any discomfort. Onions are another household staple that come with their own surprises. They support the heart and digestion, but they also influence circulation. Some older adults may feel unusually tired or lightheaded after eating heavy amounts of raw onions, especially at night. Cooking onions makes them more gentle and reduces their natural intensity. Most seniors digest cooked onions much more comfortably, especially when paired with a well-balanced meal. The key again is moderation, not avoidance. Corn is a vegetable many people grew up eating around family tables. Cornbread, corn on the cob, corn soup, and more. But corn behaves more like a starch than a leafy vegetable. It breaks down quickly in the body, which can feel heavy on older digestion. Some seniors find that corn gives them quick energy during the day, but makes them feel sluggish if eaten late at night. Pairing corn with protein or healthy fats helps the body process it more steadily. If you're eating corn, it's best to enjoy it earlier and in reasonable portions, not as the main part of the meal. Asparagus is a delicate vegetable often served in healthy dishes. Like romaine lettuce, it can influence hydration because it encourages the body to release water. Many seniors enjoy asparagus, but when eaten too close to bedtime, it may contribute to a dry mouth, early waking, or feeling slightly drained in the morning. Enjoying asparagus for lunch or early dinner helps keep you hydrated and comfortable. Many older adults notice that they feel clearer and more balanced when they shift asparagus to earlier meals. Finally, we have tomatoes, one of the most beloved vegetables worldwide. Tomatoes are refreshing, rich, and full of nutrients, but they also belong to the nightshade family, which contains natural compounds that some older bodies process more slowly. For some people, large portions of tomatoes at night may cause digestive discomfort, acid sensations, or restless sleep. Cooking tomatoes helps soften these natural compounds and makes the nutrients easier to absorb. Pairing tomatoes with calming foods like whole grains or magnesium-rich seeds can also help the body stay balanced. After exploring these 9 vegetables, it's easy to see that the foods themselves aren't the issue. The real change comes from the body's natural aging process. After 60, the body becomes more sensitive to timing, hydration, portion sizes, and combinations. What once felt effortless now benefits from a bit of thoughtful planning. A vegetable that felt light at noon may feel heavy at 9 p.m. A salad that energized you years ago might feel dehydrating if eaten too late. These are not signs of weakness. They are signs of wisdom, your body communicating with you more clearly than ever before. What truly matters is understanding your own rhythms, staying hydrated, eating earlier when possible, listening to the signals your body sends after meals, making small adjustments that lead to greater energy and clearer mornings. The vegetables we discussed today are not foods to fear. They are foods to enjoy mindfully. With a little awareness, they continue to support strong hearts, sharp minds, balanced digestion, and long-lasting vitality. Your body is unique, and the way it responds to food at 65 or 70 is very different from the way it responded at 25. Learning this isn't a limitation, it's empowerment. You now have the chance to eat in a way that matches your age, your wisdom, and your health goals. And in doing so, you give yourself more energy, better rest, better mornings, and a steadier sense of well-being day after day. Before you make any major changes to your diet, always speak with your doctor, especially if you take medications or have existing conditions. Your doctor knows your health history and can guide you in personalizing your food habits safely and effectively. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these vegetables surprised you the most? Have you noticed any changes in how your body reacts to certain foods as you've grown older? Share your experience in the comments. Your story might help someone else feel understood and supported. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Golden Years Wisdom. Your support helps us continue creating content that keeps older adults informed, confident, and empowered. Stay kind to your body, stay curious about your health, and remember, aging isn't about slowing down. It's about understanding yourself better than ever before.